News coming in from the state of Maharashtra. At about 11 a.m. today, Chief Minister Eknath Shinde is likely to go to Raj Bhavan and submit his resignation to the Maharashtra governor. Big news coming in from the state of Maharashtra, even as the suspense continues on who will be leading the state of Maharashtra next. At about 11 a.m. today, Chief Minister Eknath Shinde is likely to go to Raj Bhavan. He'll be meeting the Maharashtra governor and submitting his resignation. My colleague Vidya is now joining me on the story. Vidya, this is the first step. Now we expect Eknath Shinde to reach the Raj Bhavan, to meet the governor and then to submit his resignation at about 11 a.m. The suspense is continuing, but yes, this is the first step. Chief Minister Eknath Shinde going to the Raj Bhavan and submitting his resignation.
Well, the tenure of the previous government ends today, and that's one of the formality of the resignation has to be completed. And that's one of the reasons why Eknath Shinde will be putting in his resignation, leaving the official bungalow, which is Varsha, which is the designated place for the Chief Minister. And after leaving from there, his supporters have been arriving there since large number. And if you remember, just last night he put out a late night post, social media post, wherein he's been telling everyone that though everyone has been coming and meeting me, but I request everyone not to come. But it is being said that some of his, because as he says that he is the architect of the Ladki Bahin Yojana. So, a lot of his Ladki Bahins, the loved sisters of Maharashtra, some of them will be coming when he'll be going to meet the governor around 11, it is being said. Where the resignation, the formality of completing the procedure will be done, and after that he'll leave his official bungalow. So, of course, the chorus for who the Chief Minister would be is growing for Devendra Fadnavis, but it is yet for the BJP top leadership to redeclare as to who the former Chief Minister, formally announce the Chief Ministership. But as of now, yes, what we will be seeing today is Eknath Shinde putting in his papers and leaving his bungalow.
Thank you, Vidya, for giving us all those details. At about 11 a.m., we are expecting Eknath Shinde, the Chief Minister of the state of Maharashtra, going to the Raj Bhavan.